This is a video introducing the key features of Bzgnl AHD 1080p vehicle backup camera for cars. It helps give you an overview. Of course, if you want to learn all the features, follow the link in the video description. Let's start by learning about the key features for Bzgnl AHD 1080p vehicle backup camera for cars. Support AHD 1080p and 720p modes. Bzgnl backup camera supports both AHD 1080p and 720p video signals. If no signal or image, please cut the blue loop. Uses an integrated step-down modules and double-layer shielded cable. The AHD backup camera provides more stable video signal transmission, less interference and delay. The image will be sharper, easier to detect obstacles and hazards whether reversing, changing lanes, or simply cruising down the road. Super Night Vision, 170 degrees wide angle. The backup camera for car designed with a large f2.0 aperture, 6 glass lens to ensure high sensitivity and light transmission, which displays clear and true color in low light conditions, brings excellent night vision. Combined with the 170 degrees wide-angle lens-equipped and fisheye correction technology, the rear-view camera covering most blind spot area, making parking a breeze, ensuring driving safety. 360 degrees rotation front, rear, side view camera. The upgraded 360 degrees plus 45 degrees rotatable body design makes adjusting the angle of the rear-view camera a breeze. No need to double-check the installation direction or adjust the viewing angle by adding spacers, just rotate the lens to find the perfect viewing angle. You can install the parking camera in any position, vertical or horizontal mounting. Whether hooking up a trailer, checking the surrounding, or parallel parking, this camera can be positioned exactly. Multiple mounting positions. The 1080p HD reverse camera for car not only allows you to install it directly on the license plate, it can also be installed as a vehicle backup cameras under the trunk lid, reversing lights, tailgate handles, and front bumpers. Multiple mounting positions for your choice. IP69 waterproof, wide compatibility. This IP69 waterproof backup camera for cars can keep in good condition in rain, snow, and car washes, professionally resistant to shock, high and low temperatures, and adapts to a variety of harsh weather conditions. Many size and build solid, the 1080p AHD front camera for car is compatible with all displays that support RCA video input, fits a variety of vehicle lengths, including cars, pickups, SUVs, campers, trucks, and vans. You can click the subscribe button and select the bell to receive instant notifications when future videos are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you.